In this video, we're going to take a look and test what your PS5 should sound like and exactly how much noise it makes. If you just purchased a new PlayStation 5 and have never used one before, a big question might be, what exactly is that noise you hear when you put in a disc and start playing a game? Well, believe it or not, depending on your PS5, the sound is completely normal, but it's also true that some PS5 consoles are in fact louder than others. It all comes down to which model of cooling fan your PS5 was assembled with during manufacturing. And yes, you heard me right, not all PlayStation 5 consoles were assembled with the same model of cooling fan. There's actually 3 different variations of PS5 cooling fans, and which model your PS5 comes with is completely random. You can check which fan your PS5 was assembled with by simply removing the side cover. But let's go ahead and start up a game, and we'll see what each individual cooling fan sounds like. So now you know what exactly your PS5 should really sound like. If you notice that your PS5 seems particularly loud, it could be that it was assembled with the Nidec model cooling fan, as this one tends to be the loudest. But keep in mind that some noise is completely normal, especially when playing certain games that might demand more performance. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Boys.